Hello, let me welcome you to my channel, Scholar. It is a channel designed to bring you content that are fantastic, that are based on life experiences. One of the avenues I want to explore this initial part of the program that I have designed is to look into difficult mathematical skill aspects of the day-to-day life. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, take a look at the content that I bring forth, and see how you can use them to benefit yourself or your friends or members of your family. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Hello. Let me welcome you back to Scholar, your regular channel that brings you content in diverse subjects that are interesting and teach you how to solve problems in many fields of human endeavor. If you remember, in my last video we discussed about quadratic equations, and there we mentioned the various methods that can be adopted to solve problems in quadratic equations. So today, in that video, we looked at how we can use the factorization method to solve quadratic equations. Today, we're going to solve that same problem using the quadratic formula. So let me write quadratic formula. So you will also recall that the problem that we solved last week was x squared plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. This problem can be solved using factorization method as we did last week. It can also be solved using the graphical method, and again it can be solved using a method of completing squares and as well as the quadratic formula. But today we're going to use the quadratic formula to solve this problem, and then the link to the previous video on how to solve the problem using the factorization method will be dropped in this link. The link to it will be dropped in this video, so you can catch up with it before you proceed with this, so that you can blend in. As we proceed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification button, just so that each time we drop videos that are interesting on this space, you will be notified by YouTube, so that you can come catch up. The quadratic formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac, this all the way from here divided by 2a, where a is the coefficient in front of x, x squared. In this case it is 1, and b is the coefficient of x, which is 4 in this case, and c is the constant, which in this case is a negative 12. So when this is taken care of, we are going to have minus b, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of 4 squared minus 4 into, that's 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 12. This is extended all this way, and then This is divided by 2a. Solving further, x is equal to, substituting the values now. Sorry, here should have been 4 because we already started substituting the values. So this gives us minus 4 plus or minus the root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 12 give you minus 48. Then this is divided by 2 times 1, which is basically 2. So let's just write it as basically 2. All right, this should have been 2 times 1. So we now have that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 16 plus 48. 16 plus 48 is because this negative sign multiplying this negative sign, it makes it a positive sign. This divided by 2. What we get now is that x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus is always going along. The root of 16 plus 48 is 64. This is divided by 2. So what do we have? So now x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 64 is 8 all over 2. That means that x is equal to minus 4 minus 8 all over 2, or minus 4 plus 8 divided by 2. What do we have? Minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12 divided by 2, or minus 4 minus 8 is 4, again divided by 2. So then x is equal to minus 12 divided by 2 is minus 6, or 4 divided by 2 is simply 2. This is the solution to this equation. The answer we have obtained is the same thing as what we got last week. This is the equation that we started solving. And if you check the link of the first video, you will see that the result that we have obtained now is the same as we got last week. Again, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscription button as well as the notification button, so that when I upload any new videos, you will be notified by YouTube. And then also look out for the next video, which is going to be on solving this same equation using the graphical method. Subscribe, share, like, comment, and may God bless you. Thank you.